It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: distemper in dogs, symptoms, causes, and what to do. Distemper in dogs is a very contagious virus. Specifically, the condition affects a dog's digestive, respiratory, and nervous systems. The disorder generally produces symptoms that resemble those of a cold. Additionally, dogs suffering from this condition may experience seizures. Unfortunately, distemper in dogs is an extremely serious condition that requires immediate medical intervention. Dogs in shelters are often at high risk for distemper, but fortunately, there is a vaccine available for the virus. If you see signs that your dog could be suffering from this condition, you should consult your veterinarian for a diagnosis and proper treatment. Let's talk more about the symptoms, causes, and treatments of distemper in dogs. 1. Symptoms of distemper in dogs. Some of the most common symptoms of distemper are cough, runny nose, our dog acts lethargic, discharge from the eyes, diarrhea, fever, contractions, saliva, seizures, eye inflammation, the dog spins, vomiting. Additionally, in extreme cases of the disease, some dogs may experience seizures. 2. Causes of distemper in dogs. The condition is usually transmitted through the air or by direct contact. For example, a dog that sneezes or coughs can spread the disease to other dogs. Technically, distemper can be transmitted between dogs up to 7 meters away from each other. Additionally, some of the other ways distemper can spread include contaminated food and water bowls, direct contact with an infected animal, contaminated toys, contaminated bedding. Generally, young puppies under 4 months old are most at risk for the condition. 3. Treatments for distemper in dogs. First, if you think your dog might be developing distemper, your veterinarian should perform a complete physical examination of your dog. Second, your vet will ask you about any places your dog has recently visited where he might have contracted the virus. Additionally, blood and urine tests can be used to confirm the condition. Unfortunately, there is no cure for the disease. However, treatment may be aimed at helping to decrease your dog's symptoms while his immune system fights the disease. For example, antibiotics may be prescribed to combat any secondary infection causing the condition. As always, if your veterinarian prescribes any medication, follow the precise dosage and frequency instructions and complete the entire treatment. Sometimes fluid therapy may be necessary. This is especially in cases where distemper has caused dehydration. Generally, dogs that recover from distemper will need to make regular visits to the veterinarian. This is to monitor any other medical conditions that caused the illness. Lastly, always make sure your dog is up to date on his vaccinations, including the distemper vaccine. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.